Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the MACD mirror indicator for MetaTrader 4, and I'll show you how this dual view MACD analysis tool works on your charts. At this point I'll go ahead and load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the URL imports, and there we go. On the chart, the MACD mirror indicator displays the MACD in a mirrored or dual panel format, which provides a unique perspective on MACD readings. This mirror display can make it easier to compare bullish and bearish momentum visually with symmetrical histogram bars or line displays that emphasize the balance or imbalance between buying and selling pressure as measured by the MACD components. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. The settings include the standard MACD parameters of fast, slow, and signal periods, along with options specific to the mirror display, such as mirror axis, histogram coloring scheme, and display scale. Allow settings for crossover events could also be available. As for who this indicator is for, this indicator is designed for traders on MetaTrader 4 who use MACD analysis and want an alternative visual presentation. It is a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trades. The mirror display is a presentation choice and does not change the underlying MACD calculation. The same limitations of standard MACD, including lag and false signals in ranging markets, still apply. That's going to wrap up today's video. If you'd like to download this indicator or learn more about it, I've left a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more future contents. I'll see you in the next one.